Introducing Camco's Ultra Shield RV covers. Covering your RV helps to extend the life of your RV, reduces the need to wash, and protects your investment. The Ultra Shield RV cover is made of ultrasonically welded material that's 40% stronger than normal stitching and won't deteriorate like typical thread stitch seams. Ultrasonic welding is a method of joining two materials together with a high-frequency acoustic vibration, creating heat energy to make the weld. The cover's top material is made by ultrasonically bonding two layers of Spun-Bond polypropylene to a third outer layer of DuPont Tyvek. Tyvek is a tough yet breathable product that has an extended outdoor life and is proven to block harmful UV rays. All these features make a cover that provides superior protection against all types of climate and debris. The cover is held onto your unit by elastic corners, front and rear cinching straps, as well as an underbelly strapping system for a semi-custom fit. A zipper entry door allows easy access during covered storage. Camco's Ultra Shield RV cover is exclusive to Camping World and comes with a 3-year manufacturer's warranty. The complete kit includes a ladder cover, gutter protectors, patch kit, and storage bag. The cover's design features a modern black and gray pattern, and it comes in a variety of RV and trailer sizes. The Ultra Shield RV cover from Camco. Get yours today. Camco.net.